Now watch the snake. Watch the snake.
It's a rattlesnake. Watch out!
Ah!
Just east of Harlem, Dougie gon' be there, but you got to call. Even the soldiers need
So as you can tell, we aren't in Kansas anymore. We are actually in Las Vegas, Nevada at the Red Rocks National Canyon. We're renting e-bikes and we're actually doing this loop around here. So come on along and I'll show you some of the sights. The bikes we were riding were Giant Talons outfitted with a pedal assist crankset. Nothing fancy, but it did the job. I'm actually here with Mrs. Gen X. This might be her first official time on the video. Say hi to the tens of fans that'll be watching this.
Tens of fans. Hi, tens of fans. Thank you for watching. Please, for the love of God, like and subscribe so I don't have to hear him whine.
I'll edit that part out. We'll see more of her cutting loose later in the video, as well as our slithering friends, so be sure to watch to the end. As our guide dropped us off in a nearby neighborhood, he gave us a quick run through on how everything works, and we were off and running. There was about a 4-mile ride on the main road before we got to the park entrance. Normally that 4 miles would be a slog, but on these bikes, boy, what a difference. We were sharing our tour with another couple, Emily and Justin. They were a lot of fun and made our tour so much better. So you'll see them throughout the video as well. I'm like, I think I'm in a child's helmet. We paid our $8 entrance fee at the front gate. We did a quick tour through the visitor center to pick up a patch or two. And then we were on our way. As an East Coaster, what I can never get enough of out west is how expansive everything is. What a difference from the claustrophobic spaces I'm used to riding in. This place is huge. Red Rock Canyon Park is a true paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Don't do it! Its unique geographical formations, vibrant red sandstone cliffs, and stunning desert landscapes make it a must-visit destination. One of the highlights of Red Rock Canyon is the Scenic Drive, a 13-mile loop that winds through some of the most breathtaking landscapes you'll ever see. Along the way, there are several overlooks where you can stop, take pictures, and marvel at the panoramic views of the park. The sandstone cliffs were formed over millions of years of geological activity, resulting in these stunning and dramatic shapes. We covered over 27 miles and 2,200 feet of elevation in about 2.5 hours, with many, many stops along the way for picture taking and sightseeing. On a regular bike with this elevation, it would have taken hours and I would have been exhausted. They touted that we could stop at a place and see some petroglyphs. Up that way? Maybe we weren't in the right place, but we did find an area to stop, and it was a little underwhelming. What we could barely see was a small handprint in one of the rock formations, and not much else. And they had it roped off, so you couldn't even really get that close to it. Vegas heat can be a serious factor most times of the year, but we couldn't have picked a better day. It was barely 80 degrees, no humidity, and you could see for miles. Nothing was going to get in our way. Well, almost nothing.
Now watch the snake. Watch the snake.
It's a rattlesnake. I feel like I need to go back and get footage of that. Pick it up, babe. Watch All goofing around aside, that was a pretty cool experience. Our guide on the way out told us that we probably wouldn't see anything, so that was a real bonus. I've never seen anything like that in the wild up close before. The wife and I are actually out here celebrating our 20th anniversary. We got married out here and did the whole Elvis thing, and it was a blast. So we came back to the scene of the crime, as it were.
More? How's that looking?
We had a wonderful dinner at the Venetian.
This is what $300 looks like in Las Vegas.
And we engaged in some other silliness while we were here.
A few moments later.
Like Mrs. Gen X said earlier, if you like this content and you want to see more videos of our rides, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.